In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a filter view in Google Sheets. Let's start by opening your Google Sheets document. Make sure you're in the correct sheet where the filter view was created. Filter views are saved sets of filters and sorting rules that let you look at your data a certain way without changing how others see it. If you're done with a particular view, you can either close it for now or permanently delete it so it doesn't show up again. At the top of your screen, click the Data menu in the toolbar. From the drop-down, choose Filter Views. You'll see a list of saved filter views for this sheet. Click the name of the filter view you want to remove. This applies that view, and you'll notice a dark header bar appear across the top of the grid, which tells you a filter view is active. If you just want to stop looking at that view without deleting it, click the X in the top right corner of that header bar. This closes the filter view and returns you to the unfiltered sheet, but it doesn't remove the view from the document. This is a good option if you plan to use the view again later, or if others rely on it. If you're sure you want to remove it completely, go back to the Data menu and select Filter Views again. Hover your cursor over the filter view you want to remove. When you do, you'll see 3 vertical dots appear next to its name. Click those dots to open more options, and then select Delete. That action permanently removes the filter view from this file, so it won't appear in the list anymore for you or anyone with access to the sheet. A couple of quick notes to keep things clear. Closing a filter view with the X only turns it off temporarily. Deleting it removes the saved view entirely. If you don't see the filter view you expect, you might be looking at a regular filter instead of a saved filter view, or you may not have edit access to the file. Also, if multiple people use this spreadsheet, remember that deleting a filter view affects everyone, so make sure it's no longer needed. That's all there is to it. Open your sheet, apply the saved view from Data and Filter Views, close it with the X if you're just stepping out of it, or use the 3-dot menu to delete it when you're ready to remove it for good. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you keep your Google Sheets tidy and easier to manage.